Remember that time when you said Johnny Romanis? Yeah, I remember that guy. He was gangster. Things ain't changed, son. These things ain't changed.